friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We're back in the kitchen today with a DIY homemade dry mix for onion soup mix. Now if you read the ingredients on here, they're a little bit sketchy and we can make it ourselves at home for cheaper. We can control the ingredients and it's actually very easy to make and very delicious. Let's get started. By the way, if you would like help building your food storage, scroll down to the description box of this video and click this link for our free 1-year food storage plan. We calculated a year's supply of food for one person, then broke that data down into a week-by-week list of items to build your pantry on a budget. We'll send it straight to your inbox. If you're new here, we invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss all of our upcoming food preservation, pantry storage, and gardening tutorials. Now back to the kitchen. To start, we're going to need half a cup of beef bouillon. Beef bouillon in itself can have some not so great ingredients, but this brand by Orrington Farms, it's called a broth base, and it's a little bit cleaner than others. So we're going to start out with half a cup. And I think I forgot to mention that this is going to make 1 pint jar's worth of mix. Now I just have my 1 cup here, so I'm just going to go eyeball half. Next, we need 1 full cup of minced onions, dried of course. I usually do it kind of heaping. Next, we need half a tablespoon of pepper. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of parsley, dried parsley. This is parsley that I dehydrated from my garden and it's not really crushed up very good, so I'm just kind of mixing it around real quick before I get a scoop in there. And I'm actually going to get a heaping scoop and I'm going to crush it with my hands just because it's not already crushed. But if you purchase it from the store, it should already be crushed for you. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of salt. Break up that clump there. Next, we just give all that a good mix. If there's any clumps of beef broth or clumps of salt or anything like that, I'm just going to go ahead and use my fork to break those up. Now we're just going to load it into our pint jar. I'm going to use my canning funnel here. And that is it, y'all. Here is our homemade onion soup mix. Let's make it up into a dip real quick and see what it looks like. To make, you will need 1 pound of sour cream and 1/3 cup of your mixture. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be mixing up just a couple tablespoons to give you an idea of what the dip looks like. It's one of our absolute favorite dips, and of course it has a lot more uses than just chip dip. As you can see, the measurements don't have to be perfectly precise. If you like a stronger onion flavor, you can add more than the 1/3 cup to 1 pound. I just sprinkled out I put a plop about 2 tablespoons of sour cream and then about maybe half a tablespoon of seasoning mixture. And it's as easy as that. Look how good that looks. It's one of our favorite homemade dips and a lot healthier than what you can get at the grocery store. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all make it. See you next time. Bye.